Hey everybody, it's Corey. Thanks for joining me. It is mid-February. It's a chilly 14 degrees as we're watching the sun come up. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get to this trailhead, which is the trailhead to the Idaho Panhandle National Forests. And we're going to do so from downtown Coeur d'Alene and show you just how easy it is. The Idaho Panhandle National Forest is 2,500,000 acres of playground, rivers, lakes, over 1,400 miles of trailhead that in the winter becomes snowmobile playground, and in the summer it becomes ATV playground. It's a wonderful part of our lifestyle just outside of Coeur d'Alene, and I'm going to show you how to get here. Let's get into it.
All right, so we're going to start our drive on the west end of Sherman Avenue, just in front of the Coeur d'Alene Resort, which you see here. You can see Lake Coeur d'Alene off to the right. I do apologize for the pocked up windshield. We call this the North Idaho windshield. This windshield is actually clean, but it's on a 6-year-old vehicle that has endured winters in North Idaho with aggregate put down on the icy roads and chip sealed roads in the summer. It's one of the fine things we get to enjoy about living in North Idaho is our North Idaho pocked up windshields. So downtown Coeur d'Alene is an eclectic mix of turn-of-the-century buildings with modern condominium towers, as you can see here on the right. There's a mix of architecture that was built during the 1960s. It's quite a unique blend of architecture as you go through downtown Coeur d'Alene. And we will be traveling through Sherman Avenue here and then heading into the National Forest. It's a 7-mile drive, so if you were to go from downtown Coeur d'Alene into the National Forest, it would take you about 15 minutes. Okay, so we are exiting downtown Coeur d'Alene and we're about to go under I-90 freeway. If you take that freeway to the right, it would take you into Montana. We are now entering the little incorporated town of Fernand Village. It's just outside of downtown Coeur d'Alene. This place was built out during the late 50s all the way through the early 70s. It's got some really unique homes in here that were built during that time period on some fairly good sized lots. Anyway, we're going to continue through Fernand Village here, and then we're going to head along Fernand Lake, and I'll talk to you when we get there. All right, so we are currently driving along Fernand Lake. As you can see, Fernand Lake is frozen. It freezes every winter. It's a popular ice fishing destination for our local fishermen. However, we're at the end of winter here, so there's not a lot of people that are going to risk going out on that ice right now, but it is beautiful. We're about 5 miles from the National Forest as we sit here, and as we drive along the lake, enjoy the view, and I'll talk to you here in a bit. Okay, so I've intentionally slowed the picture here so you can see right about middle of the screen above the road is a bald eagle. He's flying now, moving to the left of the road, again middle of the screen. He's got something in his claws. I couldn't make out what it was when I was driving, but you can see it's a bald eagle just flying right in front of me. He's going to fly up into one of these trees. Just one of the beautiful things that we get to see out here. All right, so we're coming up to the end of our drive here. That's how easy it is to get into the National Forest from downtown Coeur d'Alene. When we get to the trailhead here, you'll see there's 2 yellow signs, and those yellow signs say that the roads are not maintained in the winter. They do not close this road down in the winter, so if you want to get your vehicle, your 4-wheel drive, or your snowmobiles past that point, you're free to do so. I also will include a link on the screen up above here and in the description below. I did a video showing exactly what is in the National Forest just up this road. I show all the rivers, the camping spots, and it's a pretty cool video if you want to see what is exactly in the woods. All right, well, thanks for joining us today. We're almost to the end, and until next time, take care.